really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So like back in September I uploaded a fall Halloween room decor video, and you guys really seemed to like that video, and I got a lot of requests to do a Christmas version. So for today I have, yes, a Christmas room decor video, and I'm just gonna take you guys along with me in the process of me decorating my room. So last night I already got rid of most of my fall Halloween room decor, but this is what my room looks like right now. It looks pretty naked. I got rid of like a lot of my decor that I had up on my walls. I still have my like fall Halloween collage up. I actually didn't show this in my room decor video because I did it like later. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be separating everything into categories. So I'm gonna make a section of things that are gonna go on my flower wall, things that are gonna go up in my Christmas tree, bed decor, wall decor, and just split it up into sections just so it can be easier to guide myself in my decorating.
Who knows what Christmas is all about?
Alright, so I went ahead and separated everything into categories. So I have all my flowers right here, my garlands, lights, Christmas tree decor, and then little side table decor, bed decor over there, and then my little payphone right there. So I'm still not sure if I'm gonna add that into my decoration, but it is red, so it would match. So depending if I have space for it, I'm gonna add it. And then there's my Christmas tree. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and start off by decorating my Christmas tree first, and I am going to move this out of the way and put my Christmas tree right there instead.
Who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Alright, so this is what my tree looks like right now. I still need to add more ornaments, but I'm going to wait until I finish doing all my Harry Potter ornaments that I'm making myself. I'm just using my little mini pop Funkos, making a little hole and adding a string to make them as ornaments. But as of right now, that's where how my tree looks like right now. I'm going to finish decorating everything else first before I finish it. And then now I am going to move on to my flower wall right here and go ahead and add all my flowers onto the wall. And I think I might, instead of using a neon light like I always do, I think I'm just going to use this little snowman as the center of it. So let me try and see how everything looks put together.
Is there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
But yeah, this is the progress so far, and well, now I am gonna move on to my bed. I'm gonna put this comforter I got from Final Clearance, I think that's what the store is called, and then I'm gonna add my pillows and see what else I do with my bed.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? Christmas is all about?
Alright, so I finished most of my room. I'm not going to show you until the end. All I need to wait for is for my pictures to get in the mail so I could do my collage. So right now it's still fall theme, so all I need to do is wait for that to get in the mail. I believe it should get here the day before Thanksgiving, so hopefully they do, so I could quickly put up my Christmas collage up, and then my room will be done before Thanksgiving. So I'm excited how my room looks like so far. Alright, so it's another day and my pictures finally came in. Got them from Amazon Prints. They look so cute. Very Christmassy. I got quite a few. See, these are the pics. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off my fall Halloween ones and then put these up. I hope I ordered enough to cover my door, because last time with my fall Halloween ones I was short. I didn't order enough, but I think I am gonna have enough. So let me go ahead and remove my fall ones, and that's basically all I have to do.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Alright guys, so my room is finally done and I loved how it turned out. It looks so much better in the night. So right now I'm just going to give you a quick little tour of how it looks like in the day, and then I'm also going to show you guys how it looks like in the night. So I'm going to start off with the door. So this is the finished look of my collage. I loved how it turned out. It's very Christmassy. See, you have all the Christmas things. And right next to my collage right here, I just have this light up snowman. And then right here is my flower wall. I just have a sign right there that says best time of the year. And then I just added some Christmas colored flowers. And then right next to it right here is my Christmas tree, my favorite part of my room. So I try to make it kind of like Harry Potter themed. I added the ornaments that I showed you guys how I made. I love this one. It's a Luna Lovegood one. And this giraffe is so cute as well. If you know me, you know I love giraffes. They're my favorite animal. Had to add a little coquita in there as well. And added the Luna Lovegood sunglasses. But yes, it's so cute. But yeah, that is my Christmas tree. If you're wondering where I got my Christmas tree, I got it at Walmart for 30 bucks. I think it's such a good deal for the size of this Christmas tree. It was a little bit bigger than I expected, but still I love how it looks. And then right next to my Christmas tree right here, I just have a stocking. And then I have a Harry Potter up there on my shelf that has a Christmas present. And then, yep, this is this little section right here. I just added some stockings throughout just to give it that Christmas vibe. And then right next right here, I have my shelf, my other shelf thing. Have this cute Christmas trees right here. And then this lights up. I'll show you later in the night how it lights up. It's a Grinch themed lights. And then just a sleigh, just a little bit of Christmas decor. And then right here next to my bedside, just where I keep all my blankets. This is the tree skirt, but it was a little too big for my Christmas tree, so I just put it right here. And then here is my bed. Oops, this is bugging me. But yeah, I got my Christmas pillows. I got these Christmas pillows from Target, most of them, and I think some from Ross. And just add this red blanket right here. And I have my little Ravenclaw Build-A-Bear. It doesn't really go with the Christmas theme, but you know, didn't want to get rid of him. And then right next to my bed right here, I have just some Christmas signs. This is Merry Christmas. And just these little signs. I got these from the Dollar Tree. A lot of my Christmas decor I actually got from Dollar Tree. That's the best place to go because it's very cheap. And then just my moon phase. And then this is my Christmas decor that I have right here. I have my little bicycle. It says 29 days till Christmas. Got that from Target for 10 bucks. And then just this little sign that says I have outfits both naughty and nice. Just some books there because they don't fit my bookshelf anymore, so I had to find somewhere to store them. And well, yeah, that is that section right there. And then I just have this Christmas garland on my window. Just some stuffed animals in that corner. And then this little corner, I hate this corner. It looks very cluttered. If I could, honestly, I would get rid of this right here. But I really don't know where to store all my bags because I clearly don't have any more room in my closet. I have too much clothes and shoes in there. But yeah, I just have just the Nightmare Before Christmas section right there. My wands, like always. And right here, I just have this right here. I have some cute Christmas lights right here. And then I just put some Christmas trees, little Christmas trees right here where I have my cactus and cacti and just some cute little plants to add to that vibe. And then had to add some spirit to my TV, and I added this cool fireplace. And then right here I just have some candles. I still have my fall candle. I'm trying to finish it before I put my Christmas one. And then I have my Nightmare Before Christmas tree. And yeah, and then just some Christmas light, Christmas flowers. And then right here in my desk, this is the overview of my desk. I just have this cute TV that has a little village. It plays music as well, so it lights up and it has music. I'll show you in the night to see how it lights up. But yeah, and then I have just a sign right here, and then this little Ferris wheel thing. Let's see. So yeah, that's that. And then this one lights music too, but you could put it on the mode where it just spins, or if you wanted to play music, it plays music as well. But again, it looks a lot better in the night, so I'll show you better in the night. Oh, and then just my Starbucks. They've got my name spot on. I don't know how they got it, Itzel, however you say that, from Itzel, but who knows. But yeah. Okay, and then I just have my mirror right here with my lights. And then have this section right here on top of my desk. I have my Triwizard Tournament cup. And then some Christmas trees. I have my moon. And then I have these things I got from a Harry Potter mystery globe. So they have like little mystery globes where you don't know which one you're gonna get. But these are the ones I got. I have Ron, Hermione, Hedwig, Hagrid, and Dumbledore. I really want to get Luna, but I haven't had any luck. I got some duplicates of Dumbledore and Hagrid. So I really hope I could get Luna. And then right behind, well, my bookshelf, as you can tell, it's pretty cluttered. My books don't fit anymore. And then just that. And then I have my full-length mirror right here. I just put this little garland I got from the Dollar Tree. And I added this bow as well that I got from the Dollar Tree as well, just to give my full-length mirror some Christmas vibes. And then next to my tree, I just added some garlands. And then this little sign that says Merry Christmas. And then right here, the date is wrong on this. It's currently November 26th, so it's the day of Thanksgiving. Personally, I like to decorate my room before Thanksgiving. Comment down below if you like to decorate your room or decorate for Christmas. Do you decorate for Christmas before Thanksgiving or after Thanksgiving? Comment down below which type of person you are. Me, I decorate before Thanksgiving. And then right here, this is the last little section. Well, yeah, that is how my room looks like in the day. And well, now it's time to give you guys a quick overview of how it looks like in the night. yeah, that is it for my Christmas room makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know a lot of you guys requested me to do a video like this since you guys did watch my fall Halloween one. If you guys haven't, I'll leave that in the description so you guys can watch my fall Halloween room makeover. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you guys are new on this side of the internet, or if you haven't already, then make sure to subscribe down below. It will mean a lot to me if you guys do. And well, like always, see you guys next time.